Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be talking about the Raspberry Pi. So let's get right into it. On the bottom right hand corner, we have a micro USB port for power. This is a pretty smart choice as most of the world uses micro USBs now, except for Apple. Moving to the right, we have a HDMI output port for your basic HDMI output. This is for better quality, but this isn't your only choice. So let's say if you don't have HDMI compatible monitors or you don't have a HDMI compatible TV, you have another choice, and we'll get to that in a second. Moving on, we have an Ethernet port and two USB ports. The Ethernet port is basically just for internet. The two USB ports you could do a lot with. You could add a USB hub for more expansion, or you could just simply use the two that are given. If you do not have a HDMI cord or anything that's HDMI compatible, this is your other option. You have a 3.5mm audio output and a video out for your basic TVs and other stuff. As you move to the right, you will get to the GPIO input and output ports. These are for more advanced users as they are used to interact with physical objects like LEDs. As you flip over the Pi, you have an SD card slot. This will be used as your main storage. So the max storage you can have is 128 gigabytes. And this should be enough for your Pi. Flipping back to the main side, we have a display DSI port used for raw display such as LCDs. In the middle of the Pi, we have the system on a chip, CPU/GPU. This model has a ARM V6K CPU and 512 megabytes of RAM. Right next to the system on a chip, we have the Ethernet controller used to control Ethernet. A CSI used for a camera made specifically for the Raspberry Pi. Okay, that was a lot of nerdy stuff, and a lot of you probably don't care about that. What you do want to know is what you can do with it. So what you could basically do with it is have it as a living room PC, a mini web browser, and a lot of other stuff like a retro Pi, arcade Pi. You could run Windows 3.0 on a Pi. You could make robotics with it. You could set up like cars. You could use Sketch. You could do a lot of stuff like a Pi hacker, like basically set up to hack stuff. You could use Firefox OS. You can use it as a Pi cloud server using OwnCloud. I have a video on OwnCloud before. You could use it as a UAV. You could use it as a weather station. There's lots of stuff that you could do with it. Go check them out. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.